Hello everybody, my name is Edgar and I'm from the Bain Group. Today, I'm going to show you how you can stay on top of your task using two new features within Outlook's My Day view that integrate with Microsoft To Do. So within this video, I'm going to be going over creating tasks from emails and also time blocking tasks on the calendar. So when it comes to tasks, it becomes increasingly difficult throughout the week to keep up with everything we must get finished, especially with countless emails coming in every day and meetings piling up in your calendar. So Outlook's new feature tackled this problem by helping us stay organized throughout our day and give us the capability of creating tasks instantly from emails with minimal effort. This way, we're able to spend more time finishing the tasks throughout our week. So let's take a look and see how we can use these features to improve our productivity. So before we start, we want to make sure that we're using the most updated version of Outlook. So one way we'll know that is if we're using the web version of Outlook, or if you're using Outlook for desktop, make sure that you're using the new version. So to access a My Day on Outlook, we would click here on the top right with this little icon. That'll open up the Microsoft Calendar and To Do. So on here we have two different sections. We have Calendar and To Do. On Calendar, you're able to view different meetings and events that are on your Outlook calendar. And if you click on a meeting, you'll be able to see different details like the date, location, and the responses for your meeting invites. When we go on To Do, you're able to create tasks or implement it with Microsoft To Do. You could create a new task by clicking here on the plus button and entering a new task. So let's say we have to update our timesheets. We would just type that out and click add. And now we have a task on our to-do list. If you would like to add details to this to your task, you can right click and open in To Do. And once you do that, it'll take you to the To Do application since they are integrated and it should show up here. So once we click on that, we're able to add different options and different details like due date, repetitions, files, and notes. So that's available to you. We can also create new tasks from emails instantly using this view. On the left, we can select an email that we would like to create a task for. For example, let's say we have a software development meeting coming up next week and we want to create a task for it so we could keep up with it. We could just easily left click on the email and then drag it over to the right hand side, and Outlook will automatically create a task for us. So this task is linked to the email, as we can see here, and if we click this icon, it'll show us the email that this task was made for. So that's how we make tasks from emails. And now that we know how to create tasks in Outlook, let's look more into how we can organize our day with our created tasks. If we go on Outlook Calendar on the left-hand side, once we reach this page in the middle, we'll be able to see a panel that holds all of our events, and we can see an overview of our week. Um, Once we're in To Do on the right-hand side, we're actually able to left-click and hold the task and drag it onto our calendar. And what this does, Outlook creates an event for you automatically, so you can block out your time, so you can better plan out your week. So this would be useful, let's say if you do time blocking in the beginning of your week and you would like to load on your task onto your calendar so you can see when you should be completing your tasks, so you get them done accordingly. Another way that we could also block out time is by right-clicking a task and clicking on block time. So this actually gives you more features that we can utilize here. We can create a Teams meeting and invite those people to the Teams meeting and also schedule. A good example of this is, let's say, for the software development meeting, you would like to hold a working session for that to complete the task. So same thing, we would go on block time and we would invite our attendees. So let's say we want to invite Alex Wilbur to this working session. Outlook will automatically give you suggested times based on your calendar availability, or we could manually enter our time here. Then we can send that out, and then Alex Wilbur will receive that invitation and it will be placed on our calendar. And with that, now you know how to quickly create tasks within Outlook and organize your week using the My Day panel. I hope these new features improve your productivity and help you with your organization. Please make sure to like this video if you find it helpful and follow the Bain Group channel for more. Thank you.